Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Here we are on another beautiful day. It's supposed to have gotten rain all day today, but it's looking pretty nice right now. I don't think we're supposed to get rain till later on today. But at any rate, we have a house wash on the agenda for today. It's all as scheduled because of the rain, but we'll go and we'll knock this one out, and we'll see you at the job site. Alright guys, so here we are at the job site. I'll do a quick walk around and show you what we got here. Sidewalk, you got driveway, sidewalk. Down here is pretty dark. There you got driveway, walkway, two-story house. A lot of issues with the paint up there. You can see it in the corner. It's all oxidized. It's actually coming off. Got some rust stains down here. Got some marks up along the top. Not sure what's going on with this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's almost a different color from this side of the garage door up. And then let's go around the side. Yep. Newer house. It's not that old, but you can really see it's pretty bare where some of the difference in color is. Got a lot of cracking, settlement cracks all up along the side here. And
I do have a spigot here.
And the same way along the back here. There's a lot of moisture. Just a lot of problems with the paint. And I don't know if you can see even up along the top of the roofies. It's like all the paint's just falling off the house. And up here there's a lot of algae coming down off the top. Maybe you could probably see this one better. And they're all kind of like that. Anyway, come along this side. Got some staining going on here along the wall. Man, there's a lot of settlement cracks in this. You see them on different angles. Got the same going on over here, up top. Our front porch, just a painted front porch, so we'll soft wash that up. And see, we're back out to the front. The sidewalk just really needs some attention. Alright, so that's it. We'll get moving here and get this job started.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Okay, we're all wrapped up here. Let's take a walk around and see how she looks. Sidewalk's all cleaned up. Driveway. Sidewalk looks good. Still a little wet, so. But you can see up here where it's starting to dry. It's going to dry up really nice. House came up good. I mean, it's just oxidized, but at least all the dirt and everything's off of it for now. Front porch all looks good. I don't know if you remember, there was a mud dauber nest up in the corner. We got that taken care of. Let's walk back around the side. Yep. Side all looks good. It definitely needs to be painted, but there's not a whole lot we can do about that. We got all the dirt and algae off of it. Yeah, it looks good though. Turned out nice. You can see the difference here in the sidewalk where we stopped, and the neighbor's house starts over there. And then of course cleaned all this up as well. Anyway, so all right, so that's another satisfied customer. We will see you on the next job.